Now comes the student's favorite topic, algebra. At least when I was a student, it was one of my favorites too. You know what we did back then? Me and my friends actually invented our own algebraic language to talk secretly. And later on, we discovered something shocking, that this secret code was not ours alone. It was already invented hundreds of years ago and had a fancy name, the language of mathematics. So, yes, algebra is not just about x and y, it's basically a mathematical gossip written in a symbol. You hide the numbers behind x, whisper with y, and boom. Only those who know the rules can understand the secret. Now, before we start, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much. Good evening. Now we start. What is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses letters and symbols to represent numbers. These letters are called variable. It helps us write and solve problems in a general way. For example, instead of saying I have a number, when I add 5, I get 12, we write it as x plus 5 is equal to 12. To solve problems with unknown values, we use algebra to make formula and rules used in science, economics, and daily life. It is the base of higher mathematics. Now, key terms in algebra. Number 1, variable, a letter that represents an unknown number like x. It's an unknown number. Number 2, constant, a fixed number like 5, 3, -2, 1, and so on. It can be positive, it can be negative, doesn't matter. Now number 3, coefficients, a number multiplied by a variable like 3x, 7y, 5x, and so on. And now expressions, a combination of variables, constant, and operations like 2x plus 5, and equation, when two expressions are equal like 2x plus 5 it's equal to 15, or 3y plus 9 it's equal to 17. These are known as algebraic equations. Okay, now what is linear expressions? A linear expression is an algebraic expression in which the highest power of the variable is 1. It represents a straight line when drawn on a graph. Now, what are the key features of a linear expressions? Variables, letters that represent unknown numbers like x, y, a, and b. And number 2, constants, fixed number like 3, -7, 9, 5, and so on. Number 3, coefficients, numbers multiplied by the variables like 2 in 2x and 5 in 5y. Now, no power, no squares, no cube. For example, x square and y cube like x4, these are not linear.